The title of my thesis in the doctoral program was The Production and Determination of the Structural and Functional Characteristics of Neutralizing Monoclonal Antibodies against the SARS virus. With the onset of the coronavirus pandemic and the emergence of this virus in Iran, a group of prominent professors in immunology and virology succeeded in designing a mega project related to the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of this virus through multiple meetings they held. I also joined this team in April 2020, and fortunately my thesis on the production of monoclonal antibodies against this virus became part of this project, which successfully received a research grant from the University of Strasbourg in France, given that at that time, several essential infrastructures for research on this virus, including biosafety laboratories, were limited or not available to all researchers. This international collaboration was able to significantly help advance this project. Paymanam 8 had presented various criteria at the World Health Assembly for selecting the best thesis in the doctoral program. Among the criteria were the candidate's contribution to the project and research in advancing health and scientific research, the quality of the research, its innovation, international collaborations, the quality of the written thesis, and the articles derived from it. Considering that my thesis addressed a fundamental need of the country and included innovation and international collaboration, I succeeded in achieving third place.